Johnny's World. Today I'm going to teach you how to do back and front pullover. So let's go. We're going through here. And if you want to see me do cool stuff, you better hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But for now, let's just go to the video. Alright, so this is how you do a back pullover. Just get your legs above the bar of your penis, and then make someone help you and twist over. This is how you do a front. Go like that, and then that. And then when you got it, we do a lot of cool stuff, but the reason why you don't got it now, because once you got it, we'll start teaching you how to do like double backflips or something. But right now, even I can only do one backflip. Some people might be able to do two, but right now, some people might not. So the next part of the video is this. So we're going over here. So I don't know what I'm doing. Ah! Whoa. Oh, what just happened, guys? A paper airplane. All right, now we are gonna teach you how to make a paper airplane fly super duper good. So it's gonna fly so good. Even better than some people watching this video that I might not know. My Bella is watching my videos. So, first, to make the best airplane, we're gonna need a piece of paper. Alright, don't worry, guys. Placing it down. So, yeah. So, first, we're gonna need to do this. So, if I want to show you, extra polite to my YouTube videos. So you better like and subscribe. Alright, first get a sheet of paper, then ask my cousin. His name is Ari Potasnik. You can tell him if you want to make better paper airplanes, you can go watch his YouTube channel, and it's in the illustrations, and it's in the strings in the ball. But now, want to see how good it was? Alright. And it runs into there, but definitely it doesn't tread. Look, ready, guys? Did you guys see that? Oh my goodness! I am watching this video 1,000 times so I can get it. Alright, anyway, comment down below if you want to see some new videos and make sure to like and subscribe and hit the